Hey, this is Carrie with Becky Higgins, and this video is going to show you some of the features and options in the Collage section of the Project Life app. Now, when you open the Project Life app, you have two different options for creating. One is the upper right-hand quadrant, which is where you will create pages. And two is the Collage section of the app, which is the upper left quadrant or orange section, and that is where you will create collages. Now, the difference between the two, the page section or the blue section is where you will find 6x8 and square layout designs that are meant to mimic our physical products, with pocket type designs where you have even borders around all of the different photo and card spaces. Collages, or the orange section of the app, is where you will find 4x6 and 6x8 layout options that don't have any borders in them, but where you might want to be able to put cards or photos that are ready and easy to implement to your pages or to print from home. So we're going to talk specifically about the collage section. When you first open the collage section of the app, it opens to a 4x6 collage with two 3x4 pockets. This is especially useful for those of you who are wanting to print cards or photos to put into your physical scrapbook pages. It's super easy because all you have to do is tap on the pocket. You can add your card. Let's go ahead and choose the Explore edition. And then we'll go ahead and add a photo to this side so you can see how that works. All right, and from there, you could either print this at home, you could go ahead and print it directly from the Project Life app, or you could send it out to another photo printer. Then when you get those prints back, all you would do is just cut it right down the center, and then those are perfectly sized as 3x4, so you can slip them right into the pockets in your physical album. Another thing you can do in the collage section is to create an actual photo collage that you would then use in one of the pages that you're creating in the Project Life app. So the way to do that would be to open the collage section like I've done, tap on the upper left-hand corner, and that will give you all of your different layout options or your collage options along the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a 4x6 option that has a 4x4 space and two 2x2 spaces. Now you'll notice on the bottom, you can see little white outlines defining those spaces, but when I open the actual template, those lines disappear because there are no margins that are built into the collage section of the app the way that there are in the page layout section. So here I would go ahead and tap to add my photos. And again, I'm just going to use photos here. I'm going to fill all of my spaces. I'm going to tap the upper right corner so you can see that there are actually two different spaces on the collage, even though there's no line or dividing space between them. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add another picture. All right, and from there, because I want to use this in a layout in the app, I need to get this photo collage to my device. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the lower right and export that. And then I'm going to save my image. So on iOS, of course, that's going to save to my camera roll. On an Android device, that's going to save to either your gallery or if you have it set to save to Google Photos, wherever it is that you're saving your images. Then I'm going to go ahead and close the collage section by tapping the X in the upper right corner, and I'm going to open the blue page section. And from there, I can tap on any 4x6 photo space, go to Add a Photo. Then when I go to my camera roll, you can see that that photo collage is right there on the bottom. And then when I add it to my page, it's just like any other photo and it fills that 4x6 space. So that's another great way for using the collage section of the app. It also works the same if you use one of the 6x8 collages. You can actually create that, save it to your device, and then you can use that 6x8 collage in some of our big shot templates that are available as an additional purchase in the app. One thing that I wanted to point out about these collages is that all of the corners on all of the collage options are square. This cannot be changed the way that it can be changed in the page layout options. And the reason that there are no margins is because it makes it very easy to trim these down. A lot of people use the collage section to actually print and add things to their physical albums. And so not having the margins means that they're able to easily cut right along those dividing lines and have things perfectly sized to go into their physical albums. Now, what if you want to be able to print just regular 4x6 photos through the Project Life app? It is as easy as using the collage section. All you would do from here is choose the 4x6A layout for a horizontal photo or the 4x6B layout for a vertical photo. And then you would just choose that on the collage, tap that, go to add your photo, go to your camera roll or any other folder that you may be pulling from, whether it is in Dropbox or somewhere else. Go ahead and select your photo. And then you would go ahead and just close out of that. That's going to save it to your library so that when you go to order prints, then it pulls that up as an option for something that you can add to your order. Last but not least, let's talk 12x12. The 12x12 page is kind of the hidden gem of the collage section. So when you tap the collage section and go to that upper left corner, the very first layout option that you'll see in the bottom left is 12x12. This is perfect for being able to import either pages that you have saved from the app into Dropbox or somewhere else, or if you are a digital scrapbooker and are creating pages on your computer, this is a great way to be able to bring those pages into the app so that you can print them directly through our app printing service. So all you would do is choose the 12x12, tap on that, select photo. I'm going to navigate to Dropbox because I have a whole bunch of pages saved there. It's going to pull up my Project Life app pages. I've got mine in complete pages, and I've got a whole bunch in here. This is one that I actually did on my computer a while back. It's generating that. And from there, all I would do is tap that X. That will automatically save that to my library so that when I go to tap and order prints from the app, when it pulls up all the pages, I will have the option to print that as either 12x12 or 8x8. So even though it says 12x12 in the collage section, you do have the option to be able to print that at 8x8 if that is what you choose to do. Please note that when you are bringing pages into the collage section in the 12x12 space, those pages are not able to be edited in any way. All that's doing is generating basically a JPEG image that can then be printed through the app. The only way to import pages to the app that you can actually make edits to is to use an editable backup file, and we'll be discussing that in another tutorial. Other than that, the collage is perfect for being able to bring in those pages that are 12x12 that you want to be able to print directly through the app. I hope that sharing these examples with you has given you some ideas on better ways that you can use the collage section of the Project Life app in your overall workflow. Thanks for watching.